YouTube blogging, or vlogging, has become a significant aspect of the digital age, providing a platform for individuals to share their thoughts, expertise, and creativity with a global audience. With the rise of social media and digital content consumption, YouTube has emerged as a powerful tool for personal branding, education, entertainment, and business growth. Let's explore how YouTube blogging is beneficial in the technological era and the key features that contribute to becoming a famous blogger. Global reach. YouTube has over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, offering vloggers a vast and diverse audience. This global reach allows content creators to connect with people from different cultures and backgrounds, expanding their influence and impact. Monetization opportunities. YouTube offers multiple monetization options, including ad revenue, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and channel memberships. Successful vloggers can generate significant income through these streams, turning their passion into a lucrative career. Brand building. YouTube provides a platform for personal and business branding. Consistently creating high-quality content helps establish authority and credibility in a specific niche, attracting followers and potential customers. Community engagement. Vloggers can build a loyal community of viewers who engage with their content through comments, likes, and shares. This interaction fosters a sense of belonging and connection, enhancing viewer loyalty and trust. Educational resource. YouTube is a valuable educational resource, offering tutorials, lectures, and how-to videos on a wide range of topics. Vloggers can share their knowledge and expertise, making education accessible to a global audience. Creative expression. YouTube allows for creative expression through various content formats, such as vlogs, tutorials, reviews, and live streams. Creators can experiment with different styles and formats to find what resonates best with their audience. High-quality content, production value. Invest in good equipment, such as cameras, microphones, and lighting, to produce high-quality videos. Clear audio and visuals are crucial for retaining viewer attention. Editing skills. Learn basic editing techniques to enhance your video's flow and professionalism. Well-edited content is more engaging and enjoyable to watch. Consistent posting schedule. Regularly uploading content helps maintain audience interest and engagement. Establish a consistent posting schedule and stick to it, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Engaging thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that entice viewers to click on your videos. Thumbnails should be visually appealing and relevant to the video content. Niche focus. Identify a specific niche or topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Focusing on a niche helps attract a dedicated audience interested in that particular subject. SEO and keyword optimization. Utilize search engine optimization, SEO techniques, to improve the discoverability of your videos. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to increase visibility in search results. Collaborations and networking. Collaborate with other YouTubers and influencers to reach new audiences and gain exposure. Networking with fellow creators can lead to mutually beneficial partnerships and growth opportunities. Social media promotion. Promote your YouTube channel on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Cross-promotion helps attract followers from different platforms to your YouTube channel. Adapting to trends. Stay updated with the latest trends and changes in the YouTube algorithm. Adapting your content to current trends can increase visibility and attract new viewers. Conclusion. YouTube blogging offers numerous benefits in the technological era, including global reach, monetization opportunities, brand building, community engagement, and creative expression. To become a famous YouTube blogger, focus on producing high-quality content, maintaining a consistent posting schedule, engaging with your audience, and leveraging SEO and social media promotion. By staying authentic and adapting to trends, you can build a successful YouTube channel that resonates with viewers and stands out in the digital landscape. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share.